Hello students! Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of energy flow within trophic levels. But before we get started, let's review some key concepts. First, let's talk about what trophic levels are. Trophic levels are the different levels in a food chain or food web where organisms obtain their energy. At the base of the food chain are producers, like plants, that make their own food through photosynthesis. Next up are the primary consumers, which are herbivores that eat the producers. Then we have the secondary consumers, which are carnivores that eat the herbivores. And finally, at the top of the food chain are the tertiary consumers, which are carnivores that eat other carnivores. Now let's talk about energy pyramids. Energy pyramids are diagrams that show the flow of energy through trophic levels in an ecosystem. At the base of the pyramid are the producers, which have the most energy because they are able to convert sunlight into food through photosynthesis. As we move up the pyramid to higher trophic levels, the amount of available energy decreases. This is because energy is lost as heat when organisms respire, and only a fraction of the energy from one trophic level is passed on to the next. So, let's take a closer look at how energy flows within trophic levels in an energy pyramid. At the base of the pyramid we have the producers, like plants, that capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy through photosynthesis. This energy is then passed on to the primary consumers, like herbivores, when they eat the plants. As we move up to the next trophic level, the secondary consumers, like carnivores that eat the herbivores, receive a smaller amount of energy because some of the energy is lost as heat during respiration. This pattern continues as we move up the pyramid to the tertiary consumers, with each successive trophic level receiving less and less energy. This decrease in available energy at higher trophic levels is known as the 10% rule. This rule states that only about 10% of the energy from one trophic level is passed on to the next. The rest of the energy is lost as heat or used by the organism for growth and metabolism. Understanding the flow of energy within trophic levels helps us understand the dynamics of ecosystems and how energy is transferred from one organism to another. It also helps us understand the delicate balance of nature and the importance of conserving energy resources. In conclusion, energy pyramids are valuable tools for visualizing the flow of energy within trophic levels in an ecosystem. By understanding how energy is transferred from producers to consumers, we can appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of maintaining a healthy balance in our environment. Thank you for joining me today in exploring the wonders of energy flow in trophic levels. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about energy flow in trophic levels, feel free to ask. Let's continue to explore and deepen our understanding of the amazing world of ecology and ecosystems. Have a great day, and remember to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things in our world.